Well, howdy there, folks, and welcome back. Let me get my music going. There we go. Might turn that down a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to turn it down more than that. All right. And if anyone's watching and thinks that's too low, let me know. All right. So let's do a recap, shall we? In the last stream from a couple hours ago, we added the manifest that will turn this into at least a mild form of a progressive web app and let you install it into, well, if you're on a mobile device, you'll be able to click your settings menu and install to home screen or something like that. I haven't tested it yet, so I will need to do some testing and maybe some tweaks on that. Then the other stuff is we upgraded the get address rows. So this functionality here has been refactored and improved quite a bit. So now it expects an element to be provided, and it's also got state instead of callbacks. And actually this I did off stream and verified it's working. So now it will loop through the keys that were provided. It will try to find a pre-existing row. If it finds it, or if it doesn't find it, it creates a new element and will later insert that into the table body. Then runs these things, which are asynchronous callbacks, which provide some data based on either the address, the CrowdNode address. So it either gets the CrowdNode balance, the dash balance, and then this last one gets the status of CrowdNode. So if you're signed up or not. So the setup stake button is what I just did off stream, and I verified that I'm able to pass in the passphrase via the state. And so when the row gets rendered or re-rendered in the case of if you run this encryption or decrypt, it will update all of these buttons, and then it will have the passphrase in that instance. So that allows actually staking. So I was able to stake that, and I actually need to update these other buttons so that they're using the new dialogue. What am I thinking of? My brain's a little fried. I've been programming so much today. Let's see. Oh man, my brain is fried. What was I saying? So lost my train of thought. All right. Oh well, I lost my train of thought. My apologies. All right, the other thing we did last stream was we fixed the closing of, for example, this deposit thing. Ooh, that doesn't look great. I think I'll need to fix that. But when you canceled, it was refreshing this entire table, and as part of the get address rows function and this refactor, it now works better, so it doesn't look like it's reloading. And I think we also eliminated it from the closing event listener. So that's improved. And then we added this stake model. So this is now, actually, maybe I should zoom in a little bit more. Maybe not quite 130, but let's do that much. So we added this, and it is now working if you've unlocked, well, assuming these are encrypted and you've unlocked your keys, you're able to stake Dash. So we do need to fix the unstaking. Oh, that's what I was saying, that I lost my train of thought. So we need to shift the unstake to the same format as the stake one now, so that it isn't dependent on the web components, because I've had just too many issues with the web component dialog models. The buttons seem relatively fine, but there's not much that happens in them other than launching the dialog modal. So we need to refactor that. And let's see. Oh, well, that's the recap. And let's get into the goals of this. Let's see. All right, so goals for this stream are fixing the other components. So the other components that are loaded from this get address rows, we need to make sure they are also getting the passphrase passed to them. And right now, that includes the stake, the withdraw. I think deposit is fine. It doesn't need the passphrase, but withdraw and unstake are needed. And there might be one other instance where you need that kind of stuff, but I can't think of it right now. There's several other goals. So the other thing I would like to do is, with any of them that are dependent on the passphrase, if all of these are locked, like these are currently locked, that's what the lock icon, I don't know if that's, I'm using emoji, and so I probably need to update this a little bit and get some real icons in here that are more obvious what's going on, because these emoji are not super great. It's not obvious that this is unlocked. Like, this is actually the unlocked icon, which, unless you're zoomed in, oh wait, that's not the unlocked icon. My bad. It just looks almost exactly the same. So if I unlock things here, that is the unlocked icon. So there you go. That's unlocked. But when you're zoomed out at a normal person's level, it's very little distinction, which is why I was using the key icon for the initial one. Is that was more obvious to me that it's different from the unlocked one. All right, so we need to, when they're locked, if you click on this, before you're able to do this, we should trigger this other encryption modal and then pass those values into the staking, or whichever one is calling it. So we need to do that. That's one of the other goals. And then we have some responsive updates we need to continue making. Well, it's not just responsive updates, it's just UI improvements in general. So especially this table, but once we get the table fixed so that it works in responsive, we're going to duplicate those changes. And this is why it's just kind of UI improvements in general. So we're going to duplicate that over to the staking page here. And on the staking page, we'll implement this actual stake, unstake, and the staking, the unstaking, and what the values is. We'll probably also, probably not today. I'd like to implement a graph that shows you your balance over time, the dividends you're earning type of things. And so that would go on the staking page. But I think it would also be good to have a graph here on this page that is just for your funds and the wallets that are listed here. So that's future, but the graph stuff won't be today. Let's see. So we need to, the last thing on my list for today is updating this header, and it needs to be kind of merged in with the menu that's up here now so that it fits better. And so that is also a high priority for me to get done. And let's see. And then the last thing on the goals is this dialogue looks pretty good to me. I'm more or less happy with it. If you go into mobile mode, it works pretty good. It looks decent. You can go out, like, that's pretty good. But some of these other ones do not look good. This is not great. Looks okay, not great. Again, this one's okay. I actually don't mind that. But let's see. This one, it sucks. This one, it sucks. This one, it's okay. But we also need to add some like descriptions here so that when you're looking at this, it's not like, oh, I know exactly what button I clicked on. It should tell you like, this is for staking your available dash. It should also probably show you your current balance that you have that's possible to stake with. All right, so let's get into some code, shall we? Let's see. I'm gonna zoom just a little bit. Okay. So what to prioritize? I think getting the passphrase stuff smoothed out and the other dialogue modals converted over is actually pretty important. So let's start with the unstake one. Let's get this one converted. I think I'm going to I'm going to copy this so I have should I copy it? Maybe I won't well, I do need a copy, but in reality, I'm going to rename that one. Oh, wait. Update imports. No. Because I'm going to do this. Okay. And for this, we're going to actually base it off of the stake one right now. I believe I can safely remove that. Gonna remove that for now as well. And let's see. Let's copy these. Well, you know, I might actually need some of these other ones. So I'm actually going to do that for now. Do I? I guess both of those are in there. So I will keep this for now. I don't know if I'll need all of these things, but I'm going to keep those for now. Guess I'm not using encrypted store, so I can delete both of those. Let's change the name of this to unstake dialog and change this down here. So that'll be unstake. Unstake. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I forgot about this. I really don't need to use the figure. I'm wondering what styles I've built around that though, but I don't think I really need it for a lot of these forms. I know the deposit form is using the figure and a lot of its styling is based around that, because I think the QR code is being treated as the subject and then it's got a fig caption. And then the fig fig caption, that's where it's doing the fields like that. So these are in the fig caption. I could probably shift that around and just change it. And so it might be worthwhile to do that, but I'm not going to do it right now. Okay, so for unstake, we probably want to go back to here and enter HTML for the form. Let's see, unstake form. We probably want this, and I'm gonna drop it at the bottom. So I think what we actually want is, I don't know if we need that name on the button or why it's there. I don't think it's needed. So I'm actually going to do this. All right. Um, hmm. So I think we're going to need more or less the handle submit from this one. So, oh, I think we'll want the handle change stuff as well. So let's copy everything inside handle submit here. Well, you know, most of this should match up pretty well. Mostly what's going to change is withdraw and per mil. So I think it might be better to actually adjust this one since it's already set up relatively right. So withdraw, and we need to get the per mil stuff right here. Copy this up here. So I think we're gonna put that there. And let's see, we need these. Maybe we'll do that. Something like that. Well, private key. All right, let's copy this. We're gonna do that. And I think this would be %. I don't know if we want to do null for it or not. I'm gonna leave it commented out for now. And we might want something similar to this. And I think that's all we want from here. So I'm going to delete this other code. Okay, we essentially have it already. We just need to flip-flop CN stake to CN unstake. All right. And I'm going to drop that. And we need the change event. So let's copy this one. Go back to unstake. This is going to be let handle change. And it's going to be form, I think. Oh, that's not right. Oh, yeah, handle change. It's not actually being used. Whoops. Okay, so it's not handle change we need. It's these ones. Okay, let's see. Oh no, would you like to undo rename? No. Forgot where I was. So I think I copied that. Instead of handle change, we want that or something akin to it. All right, let's say let and let. And this would be form and form. Okay. Believe we need to do let here and let. Okay, so these event listeners stopped working. And I'm thinking with this new method, it should work correctly. So we're down here. Let's see. Okay. And let's see. Those are the other ones I wanted. Maybe all of those. So that was a typo there. Think it's something like this we want. So form, event, submit, handle, submit, handle, percent, handle. Okay, that should give us a better version. Okay, I guess we don't need almost any of that stuff. It's just the hot wallet we need. All right. All right, let's see if we got enough stuff there. Let's see the unstake. So instead of using the unstake dialog like that, we would want to do something like this. So this would be unstake and dialog unstake. So something like that, and submit. Oh, I need to convert the button as well. All right, let's make a backup like we did for the other one, for the dialog, so I can reference it. And then we want more or less this code. We're gonna place everything. And actually, let me try to do that. Let's copy this. Might make it just a tiny bit easier. So there and there. And let's see. H. So unstake. And let's see. Stake to unstake from CrowdNode. Okay. All right. All right, so let's go. I might shift this because of inner HTML is equal to form. So the reason I just did that is instead of zeroing it out here, which is what I'm doing, is I'm setting that. we're gonna let's see. So set up on and on. All right. Let's see. Something like that. Okay. So before we were overriding the inner HTML like so, but now we're going to override it like that. And then, oh, this is tricky. So we were actually doing some stuff here. I don't think this makes, yeah, that's how we were doing it. Okay. So, I'm gonna comment this out for now. I don't think we'll go back to this way, but it's way easier to uncomment something than go through logs, get logs, and find the code you were using. So until I've got things working to the degree I want them to, I'm gonna just leave it commented out. So, all right. Ah, wait. So what actually should happen here is I'm going to copy this actually. So let's go back down here. Okay, so the reason I'm doing that is we're no longer going to return either of these values. We're going to return this. Oh, wait. So comment that out. Okay. So now when we come down here, instead we will say if, let's say status. I think that will make it more clear what we're checking. So if status we're going to set it like that, which will change once I convert the sign up one as well. So okay. So I think this should work. Let's give her a refresh and see. No, ooh, what did I do? Does not provide an export named init. Okay. That's my bad. I forgot to update this code because this no longer exists. And I think I need to update that, which means I need to come down here and do that. Okay. Ruh-roh. That didn't work. Okay, well, I guess I was wrong about that. So I think I will need to do something like this. Stake inner HTML, set it to blank, and then in this one, we're going to go back to this and remove that. There we go. Okay. Let's see if this works right. That one loads. That also loads, but it don't look right. What's going on? Oh, I know. Okay, this is why it's nice to keep these around. I had made a change right here. And I need to incorporate that into the global styles. I don't know why that's not in there. I'm gonna try doing that. Actually comment that out. Every now and then, because of cascading styles, something like that won't work. And what else? So what I think I'm going to do is modal, something like this. So that should restrict it to the modal form. And then if I go into here and I say form class, not here, but I did want that. think it's this one. So form. See, form class modal. See if that works. That didn't work how I was anticipating. Why didn't that work? I guess it kind of worked. It fixed some stuff. Are these? Yeah, look, those are connected again. That's really nice. So I think, let's see, both of them are in line. Oh. Not perfect, but that's kind of what I was hoping for. And I'm assuming if this one had flex as well, it would not do what I'm wanting. It's not actually terrible. So what's missing here is form modal. Let's see. I think I'm going to move this one here. And what do we need? Form modal input. I think I need this percent range. And we need flex 1 auto. See if this does it. There we go. But I think I also want like a margin. So let's see if this will work correctly. It's better than nothing. I like that a little bit more though. So let's do 2 rem. Okay. It's a little bit better. That's connected. So this is percentage. I wonder if I could add something here. I think I would actually need to wrap this in something to do what I'm trying to think of. Because I don't think I can do a, let's see. So input type. Let's not do type number. Let's do name is equal to percent and after. That didn't work. Yeah, I don't think I can do an after here like what I'm hoping for. That looks super weird. Oh, that is odd. Okay, so we probably want height to be auto. I don't know why that's hard set right now. I may have had a reason for it at some point, but all right, I like that a little bit better. So let's see. Oh, my audio finished. How about that? Let's see. I think I want to change up this playlist, so let me clear the playlist. Gonna find some new mix-ish. Let's do a new mix. Start with these and get some music playing. I mean, I guess I used these already, but I like them. Okay, gonna shuffle this playlist. All right. Got the playlist sorted out. All right, that's working. Sweet. I wonder, let's see, input. I'm trying to see if there is a way to append like a percentage symbol. Ooh, that's interesting. I don't love or hate that necessarily. See, that does the span after. That's how it does that after. Let's do a web search. So HTML. All right, my apologies. I had an interruption. Okay, let's see. So we were looking up HTML5 number input. Percent. See something like that. Yeah, that's not a number input. No, they just copied the freaking Stack Overflow. So that is just adding percent after it, which is not what I wanted. Let's drop the number and just say input CSS after. Oh wait, no, that's not what I want. That's what I want, pseudo element. Can only be defined, or better said, are only supported on container elements. So yeah, it's not gonna work. well, it's not a big deal. I'll deal with that another time. That would be an improvement, but I guess I could just add like that other person did. Let's see, edit as HTML and %. And if I just, I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna see what that does. If it breaks anything too bad. It doesn't. Oh, I mean, it's not too bad, but it did more than I was expecting. Ah, that's why. So let's go down here and do a label width is auto. Is it width? Is that what I just fixed? Let's see. So label min width. And then I think it had a padding, or is that gap? Gap. So what if it has gap 0? And % would be content %. Let's see what that does. So instead of that, let's do after. So what if we do oh wait, that's odd. Something's haywire here. I didn't close it right, I don't think. Ah, maybe that will fix things a little bit. Not a ton, but yeah, okay. So now if I did right to rem, position absolute, but this was also position relative. Oh, look at that. So position relative, position absolute. Okay. And then right one rim. Let's see what that does. That's not bad. If we then, let's see. So let's find the input. Font size. Okay. So now oh, it's probably what, label.percent. There we go. So let's see what that does. Okay. And then so something. Okay, let's drop that one and instead find that. Okay. So border right, said we're going to do 0. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now. Oh, not border right. We want 0 border. Okay. There we go. Don't mind that. Oh, wait. What if we added, adding right 1 rim, 2 rim? Oh, that didn't work like I was expecting. What if it was margin? Okay, so if instead of this, let's see. Hmm. That's interesting. So let's do that. Oh, wait, I wonder. Maybe that would be fine. Let's see if we can position the text better. Text align, left. Okay. So if there's that, and then we did padding right, to rem. So let's see. Is that right? So padding right, and the input is what, text align right? Uh-oh. Did something haywire. Oh, that's right. 0. It's close. That's not bad. I'm okay with that. Shows that it's a percentage. It lets you select between them. It lets you type in there. Okay, cool. I'm good with that for now. I'm not good with how much padding this thing has all of a sudden. What's going on here? Padding 2? Did I change that? I don't know. No, I think form. So that form, oh. So form modal. I don't think I want that. Let's try disabling that. Okay. It's a little bit better. Still more than I'd like though. It's cause margin bottom. Okay, what if we remove, where is it? Okay, let's try that. There we go. Let's shapen up a little better. Although it's kind of funny to me. I don't mind that padding there, but for this one, I quite dislike it. See if we can find this. So last child. My guess is I want this on its own. And let's say adding 0. Yeah, that's better. I like that a lot better. All right. So now, yeah, that's looking a lot better. Although when it looks like this, I wonder. Class is equal to link. Ah, that is what I was wondering if it would do. That's not exactly what I was hoping for. So I did want it kind of aligning to the left like that. But I don't like that other stuff that's going on there. So where are the link settings? Link is there. So in reality, link isn't doing that much. I think it would be better to modify, let's see, I think this one, and say text align left. That didn't work. Oh, it's because of the padding. So padding. Let's see, padding left would be 0. I think padding right would be 0. Okay. I don't know, something like that. So what is this? Dialog responsive button, reset. Might be this one down here. Okay. There we go. Although, of course, in this instance, I don't like how that looks. Yeah, I guess let's keep it there for now. Cancel. I just feel like in this instance, it actually looks off. It's kind of funny. All right. Well, I don't believe I've tested this yet, but I think I need these to be decrypted. So let's enter the decryption passphrase. Looks like they're decrypted now. So let's unstake. Just gonna do 100%. Oop, and that's why we test these things. 158 of unstake. Go 158. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Just that one. Any others? Nope, just one. Okay. What about here? No. Okay. That is funny. Okay, let's decrypt again. And unstake. Uh-oh. CN stake is not defined. 213. 213. Got one again. That's all sorts of annoying. But I think it actually worked, so I'm gonna actually refresh. No, it didn't work. Or maybe because it failed, it's still in the process of working. Hasn't updated yet. I guess I'll try it again. Okay. That acted like it worked that time, at the very least. Well, let's try this one. Oh, terp. Not enough funds for UTXOs. Interesting. So we get the withdraw. So it gets down to unstake. It tries to do that, which means we should get CrowdNode unstake res. Oh, okay. Failed to withdraw. So that failed. It triggered the catch of that. That's what happened. Failed to unstake from CrowdNode. Okay. And then I'm going to come in here and say failed to stake in CrowdNode. All right. So that failed because not enough funds in the UTXOs. So we couldn't withdraw because we don't have enough funds. That's interesting. Okay, let's try sending a little bit more funds then and see if that will let us. So let's do deposit. We're going to copy this. I'm going to do send. And let's see. And let's do .00. I'm just going to do 1.0.0.1. Send. Assuming that's enough. Okay, let's see if this goes through. Okay. So it updated. Now, we're not unlocked, so let's unlock. And let's try to withdraw now. I'm gonna do look at that. Receive transaction lock. I should also update these to disabled. So we are unstaking. Let's see if I can take the form and set it to disabled. Form dot disabled is true. Or maybe I won't do it there. I will do down here. This is taking a little while, but I haven't seen another. Something's happening. And it's still happening. Okay, so stuff is happening. It's just waiting. And I now realize, well, while that is happening, why don't I inspect this and see if I can modify the form? And let's see if I can so that didn't do it. That wouldn't have done it anyways, but I could potentially, I know field set will let you set disabled. So I could do that. This is sure taking a while. Now, the flip side that might be a better solution would be to close this in this instance. If we could keep this processing open. Oh, look, there we go, finally. And look at that. Oh wait, no, it didn't actually refresh these. That's interesting. All right, there we go. So definitely did change, but it failed to update those. So that might be worth looking into. Let's see. Oh, it should have. Yeah, that right there. It should have actually reloaded these. Which would have re-triggered these loading, but for some reason it didn't. That's odd. So the other thing that I've been noticing and I'm kind of confused about is I thought the progress bar should be getting added to the main page. But I keep not seeing it. Yeah, something like this. Nope. Why didn't that copy? Huh. Am I just blind? Okay. Oh! Huh. There it is. So Z index is 11. But that's also not looking correct. I thought I had made a bunch of changes. I guess I made changes there. So minus 650 to 650. That's for await progress. So progress pending. Width is 100%. All right, let's see what that does. Okay, let's withdraw the rest of it. Actually, let me do a refresh while I'm thinking about it. And we're gonna unlock. And then I'm gonna try to withdraw the rest here. There we go. That's what I was hoping for. Oh, that went way faster. And it even updated that time. Interesting. Okay, that's cool. You know, I haven't actually tested this, but theoretically, I could do. You have. Let's send half of this. So .002, 002. Draw funds. Did that not work? Oh, it didn't work. Okay. All right. That's all right. Feel like I'm off task. Maybe not a ton, but have been working on the UI improvements that I was planning to work on. It's not the worst thing ever. Before I forget, I want to disabled. So instead of form disabled, field set So that should disable the buttons at the very least. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. All right, I need to take a little break here. So let's see. I think 5 minutes should be enough. So let's go here and I will be back in a few. All right, and I am back. So I know I've done quite a bit just this stream, but I haven't checked anything off the list. Okay. Oh. Okay. I know something that would be good. So now that I've got both of these converted to the new forms and dialogues, well, I guess these aren't forms, they're buttons. They're still on the form thing here, but these are buttons, I'm calling them, rather than forms. And then they open the new version of the dialogues. So since those are converted, I think it would be good to test. Let's see, let's do it in the stake. Maybe it wouldn't happen there. Maybe it would happen down here. So handle submit. Let's find the setup encrypt. It's happening here. So let's copy this for now. So this would be what? Dialogues encrypt. Then we would need this. Oh, I didn't save that. That's why it's not showing. Okay. So what I think we want to do here is say if state.passphrase. So if no state passphrase, we need to run this stuff. And this is not asynchronous, but we do need to await it, I think. I suppose I think I could make it async. I don't think there's any reason I couldn't do that. Oh yeah, that's not really gonna work without more changes here. So what I probably need to do is let's see. So I'm not sure this will work, but something like this dot add event listener and close. No, that's not going to work. No, maybe it would. It might actually work without all of this work. So let's see. This is for unstake. Interesting. Sweet. Did that actually work? So set up stake button. Okay, let's try this again. So handle close. Let's see, handle close. Dialog, handle close. Didn't I? Oh, I think I know what's going on. Let's see. First, let's fix this before I forget. I had done a change in, I think it's this one. Maybe it's not. Thought I had done it in one of these. Form modal. No, let's see. I swear it's method. That's what I had done. Okay, let me try that. So in encrypt form method dialog. Okay. And let's add it here as well. And here. Where'd that go? Okay. Let's refresh and unstake. Return value true. But I'm also forgetting something. So encrypt, what I'm wanting to do is on close. Instead of decrypted, I think I should say the passphrase. That's what I'm thinking now. So let's try this again. Oh wait, no, that wasn't coming through. So dialog close, handle close. That's on reset, not cancel. So what did I do here to get it working again? Handle close. I do return the dialog and not the event. So it's the dialog return value. Oh, but that gives me an idea. So in encrypt, well, not in encrypt, the event target should be dialog. So if I did, was it unstake? So this isn't right. What am I thinking of? This is what I was trying to find. Okay, so this state that, so unstake modal. So would event.target dot return value be what I'm looking for? Let's see. Okay, unstake. Ah, that is sweet. So we want to do state passphrase is equal to event target, event target that. Okay. Okay. So that should work. So theoretically, that was a relatively easy change. Let's come in here. And this will be handle stake modal. And it would be set up stake dialog. And I believe we need to do this stuff. Okay. And let's copy this back to submit, something like that. And this is going to be handle on stake or handle stake. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now that should work for both of them. Let's see if it also updates all of these and sticks. So if we do that, it did update those. I cancel that and then do here. Ooh, that's interesting. An error. Stake, line 36. Event target value. Cannot read properties of undefined reading target. Interesting. Maybe I need to make changes in here too. So I did add the method dialog. Did I modify this or something? Oh, that's what I should do. That is the stake one. I think it would actually be this. So the problem is event target doesn't exist there either. So let's see. Probably need that there. Okay, let's try that out. And all right, decrypt. That worked. Come in here. Nope. Not read undefined. Reading of target. Should be optional. I don't know. Oh, I guess that. Yeah. That's a lot of question marks, okay? Settle down there. Okay, so unlock. Did all of them. There we go. That's funny and kind of dumb. All right, but let's log just that one. So undefined. So if it's undefined, we go ahead and continue on, and passphrase will get set to undefined, which is okay because oh wait, no. So we do want to do this. If that that's what we want to do. Then we actually don't need all of those question marks. Okay, let's try this. All right, decrypt. That one got checked. But, and I just realized we should also check this. So, dot length. Okay, let's do that. All right, decrypt. And sure enough, the passphrase does have 4, which is why that worked. Okay. And all of these are still decrypted. Cool. All right, that's working pretty well. And might go ahead and just comment this one out for now. I'll probably comment. Ooh, I should update that though before I forget. So we want something. Okay. So now it should also work in reverse. So if we do this one first, we decrypt and then cancel, and then do that. Yep, it's already got it. Cool. Okay, so, but I also want to make sure that those event listeners weren't doubling up or something. So let's actually refresh first. So refresh. That looks like probably one each. Address. Yeah, those are different addresses. So that's looking right. We're going to clear that out. If I click that, it only gets that handle submit one, which triggers that. So let's decrypt. So the decrypt triggered a get address update. which did several other things, and then did state dialog. Okay, so that's still looking pretty good. If we cancel, that I think still looks good. Nothing looks doubled. Let's click there. Handle submit. Unstaked dialog state. Should have address and passphrase. Okay. We cancel. Still looking good to me. Cool. All right. That at least, I feel like I can check that off now. Actually, I'm checking 2 of them off. So that is fixed passphrase not getting passed to new web component free modals. And then it's also for modals. Well, I guess I said UI events, but mostly just the dialogues or modals that require encryption, which is what these do. We show the encryption dialog first if they don't have a passphrase, so that's working. And what else? Yeah, I think we are in a good position now to do the rest of the dialogues. That's the next thing on my list is convert web component dialogues to alternative version. And these seem to be working decently enough that I think it will be worthwhile. I think I can close this now. I don't know why it's complaining about unsaved changes. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. So got those two. Let's go to the withdraw one next. So just like the other ones, gonna copy, paste, and rename this to that. Maybe it would make more sense to rename it like so it stays near it. Yeah, I think that might be better. And let's rename this one. Okay, so now we're going to take unstake. This one is not nearly as long as some of the others. I'm actually gonna do this. And I'm gonna chop these. So set up, withdraw dialog. So withdraw funds. Let's go up here. Okay. So let's do let's replace all of those. Okay. What else we got? Wonder if I'll need to fix that stuff. I might copy this up here just because I plan on deleting the rest of that stuff. So just so I can reference it. All right. I think we're gonna need some of this stuff. Maybe. Maybe not. Not really. Maybe. Let's just copy this part. I think the rest of this I can safely delete. Ooh, wait. How did I miss that? Okay. And this was in the submit one, I think. So essentially we want set up withdraw dialog. That should be fine eventually. Okay. Okay, that is relatively set up. I think we need to drop into this one now. Okay, so maybe I won't do it that way. Something like this. Okay, so we can kind of combine stuff here. So we've got utils. Lib storage. Oh, that's funny. Did I really do that? Like 3 times here. Okay. And CrowdNode. Okay. Probably need something similar to that. Let's see, dialogue, something like that. Oh, wait. That was probably fine the way it was because these are now combined into here. So I'm probably fine with that. All right. Anything else we need? We might need... this. Whoops. And these, the handle submit stuff we probably will need. So now I'm looking for a form here. I think, yeah, let's drop this here instead. We don't need the submit button. Okay, something like that. And we need the event handlers. Submit. Looks like submit really is the only event handler to worry about. Just copy from here up to there. And handle submit. Do that. Oh. Missed something in my copy. That's what I missed. Okay. Because I thought I didn't need these, I missed that ending bracket. Okay. All right, I think I likely got most of the stuff I need from here. So I think I can delete all of this. All right. Okay. So to address hash. Address to pub key hash. Okay, that's right. That verifies that the address is relatively real and not like formatted wrong or missing characters. It should, like, it doesn't guarantee you that there's a private key connected to it, but short of that, yeah, I'm not sure there is a way to do that. So, I think we will need some stuff like this. So let's chop all of this and go up to the top above here. And it's going to be something like this. I don't think we'll need %. Like that. So I think state address To address will be state address. Let's not do to address. Oh wait, no. That's right. There will be a form field for that. So that's right. To address is that. It might be worthwhile to do that. But maybe I will call this from. Okay. So then we have something like that, which is what? So state address, something like that, and to address. And then we need a bunch of this stuff. So we've already got the from with part, and that's probably more up to date. I don't think we need any of this. Withdraw. Yeah, let's eliminate what we can. Might need those. So I don't think we're going to need the unstake. But I think we'll need most of all of this up into here. And so that happens what? Before we disable I think it would be good to put that after this stuff. So we start the progress bar. We do all of this stuff. Well, I mean, this one can probably go above it. It might get removed altogether. So this from will not be right. Instead, we do state address. To address. Okay. Well, I don't know if we need to double up on that. Might be overkill, but okay, so then Dove, we do that stuff. We should have the progress bars already loading. And then this disables some form fields. This, I might want that one, but I don't think I need the progress. Okay, so let's move the rest of this. right there. This might be actually that. I think it's funny that disabled complains because of the last child. That's really dumb. All right. So doesn't look like we need this try catch here. Disabled true, disabled false. So instead of seeing unstake, we probably want to define withdraw transfer up here. Something like that. Well, let's just move it right there. Right next to the other one. Okay, and then we could potentially do withdraw transfer. Oh, that's funny. I've actually got a similar version there, so maybe I should do this. Hmm. Maybe I'll do that transaction ID as a return. Okay. It annoys me because I've gone to so much trouble to get these kinds of things working, and yet Dash Socket is acting like it's not working. Okay. Hmm. I don't think I need those. So we add to Dove. Okay. Hmm. Okay. All right, so that may be updated correctly, and I wonder if this is complaining still. Nope, it has a state. Okay. But that should get that working semi-correctly, but we need to update the references to it. So I think we're going to need to go into main here. And instead of this, we need to disable both of those. Okay. And let's see, withdraw form. So in here, so we need something like this, but it would be withdraw. Okay. And set up withdraw button. Okay. So then we've got these. What is this? Element. TDs. And state. Assuming state would be similar to this. And this would be withdraw address and passphrase. So something like that. Okay. So I think we need to also modify setup withdraw button. Oh. Something like that. All right, let's refresh. What's at least loading in part? I think that's the new button. Yeah, it is. It's not loading the web component, so that's good. All right. Well, let's see if it does the rest of the stuff right. Okay. Hey, that's more or less looking right. The buttons look better. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, I forget how weird. I guess it's not weird. It's technically aligned correctly. But because this button... I like how this looks, but I do not like how this looks. It looks off-centered. But I will focus more on that in a little bit. Okay. So we are decrypted. These ones are decrypted. That's still working. That's got the encryption key. So let's see if this will work now. Withdraw to the other address, 0.002. All right. And clear that. All right. Nope. 137. Probably not in the form one. It's probably in the dialogue. Yeah, it's in dialogues. So 137. Dirt. It's my bad. I did something similar earlier too. Okay, let's see if there's any other this dots. Nope. Okay. All right, let's refresh and see if that resolves it. Oh, snap. That worked. Awesome. That's really cool. And then let's see if we can withdraw this now. I think I should, however, shift where the form getting disabled happened. So this should actually move up to, I think, above this other stuff. Probably right there is fine. Okay. Oh, but you know what? Look at that. It didn't update this again. So in some scenarios, for some reason, this doesn't update. Let's refresh and see. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Let's see if empty does all of it. Yep. Cool. I'll need to make note of that though so people know. All right. That's actually working fairly well. All right. I am getting pretty happy with where this is at now. Okay, so so we've got sign up left and QR left to convert, I think. Yeah. So let's go ahead and copy both of these right now. So we're going to rename this one. Go and then copy and paste and rename this one. Go. All right. Ooh, I forgot how much stuff I had changed. Let's add some of these to get them out of the way so it's easier to see. I think all of these are icons. Is that right? Not that. That's not an icon. Okay, so icons, assets, yeah. That's in the icons folder, but I don't want to commit it yet. So let's come here and we will do git commit and we'll say add dash icons dash save and other icons. I don't know. Okay, let's see if that works. Sweet. All right, so those are committed. Oh my gosh, how did I miss one? That's annoying. Luckily you can do git commit staged amend. Okay. Now let's do that and that. So most of these index.html changes are going to be manifest related. So I'm going to say beat add PWA, maybe I'll capitalize that, PWA manifests. Okay. And let's see. Modal form, whatever. Say fix. UI, let's say responsive UI enhancements, right? Okay, now we've got several. Let's do add wallet and let's commit that. What else is here? I don't want to commit these ones that end in underscore. Okay, so new non WC dialog components. Okay. Okay, part of the reason I did that is I wanted that committed before I just go deleting that stuff, but I wanted it removed. And maybe I'll leave that for now. Guess I'm not using most of that. So maybe I will delete all of that stuff. Delete all of that. And that. And I'm not using either of those. Okay. Okay. So I believe we were about to convert the rest of these components. I'm going to do sign up first because I think it's most similar to the other ones. QR is a little bit different. Okay, so let's go ahead and use stake as the template. Okay, so utils to trigger UI has or request. Get private key storage and CrowdNode. Oh, wait, let's keep that other one because it has the other things we need. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Did it again. So I can delete that one. We've got hot wallet and we might need that, but that one we can delete. Okay. It doesn't look like we're using the dash API. So let's remove that. Okay. And this would be setup sign up. All right, let's see. Fake. Sign up. Right. I'm gonna delete some of this stuff that I know I don't need to worry about. So dialog form style progress. Dialog form style progress. So we don't have style there, but that's okay. We got all those. Ooh, that really complains without the super. I think we've got the pending. Style ain't anything special. I don't think I need to worry about those. And I don't think I need to worry about any of those. So I think dialogue is outdated. I think it'll be fine with the figure because this stuff will get wrapped up like all the others. All right, so dialogue, that might actually, okay, that's already there. I think I can delete those. Honestly, this content I can delete. Let's see. Handle close, won't apply. Set pass might, but I think, yeah, we already got it. So I think we're okay to delete that. Which means we probably don't need any of the event listeners or any of this stuff. Or these. I think we're probably fine without those two. Okay. And render is this form. Okay. So we might need this. I'm going to copy and go up to form. So see, submit all. We're defaulting to disabled for that. And I don't know if I need this name sign up, but I'll give it to it just for the heck of it. Okay. So accept terms. Okay. I think I'm good with that. I think I need to worry about any of those. Now some finally possibly relevant things again. Okay, this is relevant. I'm going to cut that and move it up here. Okay. So we're going to do let handle change and form. Let's remove that. And this will be state. Okay, I think that should be relatively good. Okay. Think I might need to worry about this one. I think most of this other stuff we can delete. Let's see, add event. Something like that. And that. Okay. I think most of these I can delete. All right, I think all of that I can delete. And all of this I can delete. How did I miss that one? That's funny. Don't need need that either. Okay. So now I just need to worry about getting the handle submit and that in place. So I believe on close, we're going to do something like this. Form, accept terms of service, remove. And that. All right. Okay. What comes after it? CN sign up. Oh, wait. That's more like it. So that we already cut. So if we have the address, we get the width. Okay, I'm gonna copy to there down. So I believe that would be in here. Might even drop down to here-ish. Okay, let's add some spacing here before I do this again, so I can find it easier. All right, so figure after begin progress, drop that, field set. Okay, that's the same there. Private key, as or request, state, sign up total. Sign up for CrowdNode. Okay. And then we've got what? CN status. Those aren't being used. I don't know why render is there. That was rendering the form. I don't think we need that there. I think Most of this we can delete. So then we've got those right here. Should be able to do that. Okay. But we don't need that. All right. We need those. Wait, now I'm confused. Thought I was complaining that it was, yeah. Oh, okay. I see. I see it now. That's where I needed it. So now we've got see and accept. See and status. We need this. So okay, what about more of this? Oh, I see what it was doing now. That's why it was re-rendering. Oh, I forgot about that. So it was changing the text of the button inside of the dialog and re-rendering. So that's what that was doing. But all this stuff isn't exactly. Let's see. So this would actually be state submit text. So state.submit text is equal to that. And re-render form. Okay. All right, I think that gets most, if not all, of what I need. Okay. And then dialog close. Am I using this for anything? Doesn't look like it. Let's see, priv key. Oh, that's funny. Oh, wait. It's the underscore one. State. Okay. And what else? This one is real. That's the one I think I've been working on. Okay. And that one, it's an underscore. Okay. So back to sign up. All right. So now I need to find signup.js. And what do we got here? So that's the forms one. Okay, so let's see. So let's see, sign up and sign up. So it would be something like this.